Welcome back. Things were on hold for a little bit on the channel because I was moving into my new house, but I decided to take a break this past weekend and hang out with my buddies so that we can cruise over to Playa Vista and check out Cars and Coffee, hosted by Morning's Car Club and Pit Stop by Period Correct. I was able to get some good footage with my camera, so I'll have some pictures and videos. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to fly my drone because of the buildings being so close together. So that's what you'll see on the next slides after the preview. This is the first time I was able to take my 911 to this event, so I was able to get together my Porsche buddies and caravan down to the event. I saw this crowd gathering around a car, and there was a machine on the hood cutting out these personalized California plate frames. And I thought maybe since my 911 and my M5 both have personalized plates that I would make one for each. The only problem with the 911 is on the custom plate frame, there's a hand, and on the machine it couldn't cut out a hand. So I decided to have the guy add a couple spaces and add text. That way it leaves a little bit of room so I could add a hand in there using some vinyl decal. So this is my experience and the end result. So I decided, so I thought maybe I could, I thought maybe Playa Vista and check out how. So this is how I came up. So this is how. Things are starting to settle in with the moves, so I'm working on some content for the next episode to give you a preview of my new place, as well as some DIYs that I've done and some other new features. Thank you for joining, and